If you are looking at buying a home in the city of Ajah, Lagos, Nigeria, an affordable home but yet luxurious, with a touch of exotic, exquisite finishing, both interior and exterior, then this home is for you. I'm currently standing on a 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ, a 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, going for 150 million naira. Now, come take a tour with me to view one of the available units right here. We have just 3 units of this 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ right here. So come with me. And also we have the 4-bedroom penthouse. So if you want the 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, just 3 units, and we have just 1 unit of the 4-bedroom penthouse at the top floor with an elevator. The 4-bedroom penthouse comes with an elevator. But if you want to watch the detailed video of the 4-bedroom penthouse, I'll be adding the YouTube link in the description of this video. Now tour with me this 4-bedroom duplex with a BQ, which can contain enough car space of 2 cars, 1 here, 1 right here, and that is the driveway. So coming into one of the units of the 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, you'll be welcome with the staircase and a little space right here. This space, you can, if you are someone that loves to use inverter, you can put your inverter right here. So to my right hand side right here, we have 2 rooms. We have the BQ room, which is this side, and we also have a mini room right here, which can be used for a gym. Yes, so that is the main purpose of a particular room. It's meant for a gym purpose. This particular unit is right here, and this is the BQ, fully ensuite. It has its own wardrobes and its own restroom, washing hand basin, its own cubicle, and the WC. And right here is an exit door to the back side of this property. So let's say you washed your clothes, you want to have it dry, you can do that outside. So let's go, walk with me, and let's go to the 1st floor. This is the ground floor. Let's go to the 1st floor. Now I welcome you to the 1st floor. Right here we have one of the rooms. Remember I said it's a 4-bedroom, so the BQ is downstairs, inside, not outside. So we have one of the rooms here. You can see it's very gigantic. It can contain a 6x4 bed. You can decide to put your TV cursor in this side, and then we have our restroom. So come show them. This is on cubicle, washing hand basin, very wild, and then its own WC. So come with me and come and see the sitting room, and it comes with an open plan kitchen. Now right here is the open plan kitchen with the sitting room, and it has its own balcony right there. Its own little balcony, and over at this side is the open plan kitchen, and I'm sure this is the part where all women loves the most. So you get to cook while you get to see your visitors over there. So right here we have our microwave, we have our oven right here. We also have our 5-phase burner, our heat extractor, and our fridge right here. So this is the fridge. We have our fridge right here, as you can see. double door fridge, one at the down as well. Close this, close your cabinets. And also, lest I forget, there are lots of cabinets right here. It goes like this, it goes on the ground, and it has a very nice marble. And this is a washing hand basin, and at this center is the store room. So come with me, let's check out the other rooms we have right here, so which will be taking us to the next floor, and over here is our guest toilet. So let's go. Also coming in is, we are currently on the last floor, and right here we have one of the rooms. We've checked out the ground floor where we have the BQ and the gym room. We've also checked out the first floor where we have the sitting room and open plan kitchen with one of the rooms. So currently we're on the last floor, and we have 3 other rooms right here. So this is one of the bedroom. As you can see, fully ensuite. It has its own cubicle, washing hand basin, and WC. Then its own wardrobe as well. And these are the other 2 rooms. So this right here is the second room. As you can see, has its own wardrobes, spacious wardrobes, and within a 4x6 bed. It has its own restroom as well, its own cubicle, washing hand basin, and the WC, and a balcony. Now let's go check out the master's bedroom. Now right here is the master's bedroom. As you can see, it's quite spacious, can contain a 6x6 bed, fully ensuite, and right here is its own set of wardrobes. As you can see, its own set of wardrobes. At this section you can keep your bags, your shoes right there, and this is its own restroom. It's cubicle, washing hand basin, and WC. So this particular unit goes for 150 million naira, affordable, right? Compared to what other properties are selling for right now in Ajah, Lagos. To get started to own one of the 3 units right here, all you need to do is click on the WhatsApp link in the description section, and it will bring you straight down into my DM. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Before I forget, I will be adding the 4-bedroom penthouse with an elevator. The link for that video, I'll be adding it in the description section, so you can also watch it. So it's either you go for the 4-bedroom penthouse, or you go for the 4-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ. Thank you, and see you in my next video.